Hello guys, this is Andrew. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick guide on how to change a container for a larva and how to prepare a place for your larva, for a beetle larva. Okay guys, so first we have to put the soil mat, or you call it a substrate, to put it under the sun for 5 to 6 hours to kill all the bacteria and mites and make it as dry as possible. And just to make sure, use your hand to separate like this gently and check if there is still mites or any bugs that interfere with your soil. Okay? Okay guys, so here we got Mars, 6 Mars inside this box. One of the larvae already climbed up is because it already finished its food. As you guys can see, here's is one of the larva. It's already on top of the soil. It's because they finished their food. So for the L1 and L2 larva, usually we might use a smaller container like this. Using a small container, you can see their size, their stage, instar 1, instar 2 or instar 3. A smaller, better for L1 and L2. For L3, depends on the size. Some may need like this huge. As you can see, there's a L3 larva here. Okay, and this one is the late L2. Is the healers here. Is the for the size late L2. L1, late L1, late L2, and 3. So now, if you guys see this hole properly, this hole here is actually punctured by using a soldering hot machine like this. So this is the soldering machine. Why do you need to use this? Is because in case you make a hole that is sharp, that might harm larva skin, because larva skin is very soft. Or you can use something like this. As a filter on top. You can use it like this. Then you cut accordingly to the size of the container. Okay, so there is a 6 megasoma larva I need to place in a new container, and this is how I make a hole. Don't make too many holes, because too many holes will easily make the soil dry. You will only need 2 holes. See, just 2 holes. So I already prepared 6 of this. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Now we back to our soil again. Okay, so after 6 hours of putting under the sun, everything is very dry right now, and we have to make sure we need to moisture it. So we need to spray a little bit by little bit. Not too wet, not too dry. and use your hand to check. Everything is dry on the bottom. Spray again. And make sure the water is from yesterday or day before. Make sure it's day before you use to spray, because a new water from the pipe will be contain chlorine and it may harms your larva, because new water from the pipe doesn't have oxygen, because it's full of chlorine. Okay, so here is after the spray, everything is moisture. How do we check if it's too much water or it's not enough? Okay, if too much, when you grab the soil like this, you hold it firmly and it will drip. But this is not dripping. When you grab, if it's all in one like this, it's good to go. If when you grab like this, everything separate when you open your hand, it's too dry. You still need more water of it. So see? Okay, now we're going to put the soil into the container that I just prepared. And push your finger gently to pressure the soil. Not too much, not too less, just firmly and gently. If too much pressure, usually the larva won't go deep down, but instead it's in the middle here. Okay, so that means your larva won't eat every food. It just eat half of it. Gently. Slowly. How much should you put? Okay, look at this one. You will need like this much, just left like 2 cm above the lid here. Okay.